friends, Running Kimono here. So we are in store over at Walgreens for the week of the 25th to the 31st. And man, there's a lot of deals in this flyer this week. So we're going to go through them one by one for a lot of cheapies, including like $3-ish big Tides, which we love. Now at the very end of the video, we're going to be talking about this, the Earn 10 when you spend 45, which is a booster. And then earlier in the week, we'll discuss these two, which are online only. The 5 back when you buy 3 dental care products, and the 15 back when you spend 45 in P&G dental care as well for the larger toothbrushes. So if you are in a region that's affected by this awful winter storm, stay home, guys. Let's be smart. Unfortunately, where I live, we're avoiding all of this. This is the first time this winter we've avoided a bad storm. But if you are in really bad conditions and stuff, deals always come back. And there's going to be a ton of curbside deals this week, I promise. And to be safe, let's give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. And if you have that hype button, please press it. Lots of clearance that includes these little Ollie drinks at 50% off. Some stores have them up to 90%. And lots of deodorants, razors, that good stuff as well. Also clearing out. So you might want to see what your store has if you are a big clearance shopper. So this morning, these really high value Olay coupons showed up for newer products. So load both of them. I'm sure we're going to have a deal in the next little bit with them. But just load them. Both of my cards had them. Let's hop right into the deals for these larger Tide Pods and Tide Liquid. Now, I thought this was going to go a different way with the Febreze plug, but they kind of had a sense of humor with that Febreze plug where they pulled the $5 coupon and gave us a 50-cent coupon, which I don't fully understand. So the better value is to grab a Tide Pods and a Tide Liquid, and these are the larger containers. The promotion is when you buy 2 of these $12.99 products, you're going to get back a $5 register reward, and both of these are tagged at my store. So definitely check for this specific tag because you want to get the biggest promotion here this week. And again, it's to buy 2 of these to get a $5 register reward. The coupons that you're going to load, and all of these showed up this morning. I think we have a new month over at Walgreens, so a whole bunch of new P&G coupons popped up, including this 3 off for the pods and the 3 off of 1 for the Tide laundry detergent. This is a very basic 1, 2, 3 easy deal. Grabbing 1 of each, a Tide pod and a Tide liquid is $25.98. Subtracting $6 in digital coupons, you'll pay $19.98, get back a $5 register reward, making it $14.98 for the 2 or $7.49 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. So that 10 back when you spend 45 if you're not using anything like that, or a paper one, you can use $20 of Walgreens cash and earn that register reward. So not a little bad promotion if you think about the savings that these products are usually like $12, $13, down to $7.49. Look what they provided for us, a 50-cent off of one of those starter kits. So it's so much better to go with 2 Tides with the $6 of digitals than this 50-center. If you might have that $5 mailer, it's a different story, but this is a no-go. Okay, Persil this week is $5.49 over at Walgreens. We also have a $2 digital coupon that is attaching, so make sure you load that. This is one detergent. We used to get tons and tons of deals when it first came out, but it's been a bit slower for us. So grabbing 1 of the Persils for $5.49, subtracting that $2 digital, you're paying $3.49. If you want to use Walgreens cash, you're doing this deal with no booster, by all means go for it. This is a type of detergent that we don't often get deals on, and it's usually like $8.99 at most stores. So I would definitely stock up if you want to this week. A lot of people say it's like European Tide. It's just as good as Tide. Might be a detergent you want to try, but it's the 25 loaders, and it's still a pretty sizable bottle that we have this week. And we have new coupons for both the men's Gillette and the ladies Venus. You're looking for the razors that are on sale for $9.99, and the $3 digitals are attaching. It's on a promotion this week that when you buy 2, you get back a $6 register reward. Here it is. Now, unfortunately, all the clearance razors were completely picked clean at my store. I couldn't even test it out if I wanted to try, but that might be a thing if you want to roll the dice with some clearance razors. Now, some of my coupons say expired at the top. It's just because I was loading them first thing, but we have this $3 off for the men's and the $3 off for the ladies. So those two, that's $6 off. And now we're looking at the math here. One of each at $9.99 is $19.98. Subtracting $6, you're going to pay $13.98. Get back a $6 register reward, making it $7.98 for the two or $3.99 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but not a bad little deal to pay $4 for a really fancy razor, and I know a lot of us love fancy razors. Going back to everybody's favorite subject, that is detergent, we still have this promotion going on with the Arm & Hammer. It's 3 of these detergent products for $7.49. So it basically makes it $2.49 per unit. If you are a new couponer wanting to stock up, yes, the liquid detergents are very tiny, but those pods, if you wanted to stock up, they don't take a lot of room. The detergent pods, it would be a smart item to grab for $7.49 for 3. The Pantene deal got shifted just a smidge. It said in the preview there was a $3 coupon, but it's actually a 2 off a 2 for these smaller bottles. And again, it says expired, but it's not an expired coupon. It's just showing up like that for me in the app this morning. And the promotion is the $5.49 Pantenes. Buy 2, get back a $3 register reward with the 2 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of these Magics, I love their conditioner. It's $10.98. Subtracting the 2 off a 2, you'll pay $8.98. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $5.98 for the 2 or $2.99 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And Shoulders this week is $7, and we have a 3 off a 2 digital coupon that you're going to load. So here it is. Again, it says expired, but it's not. I don't know why the app is just acting up on my end. Maybe I need to update it or something. And again, the promotion is when you buy 2 of these, you get back a $4 register reward. And the cheapest one is that bottle for $7, not the fancies. So 2 of these will be $14. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $11. Getting back a $4 register reward, making it $7 for 2 or $3.50 per shampoo. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. This deal is back with a fresh coupon. It's the Dove shampoo for $5, and we got a 4 off a 2 digital coupon this morning. So here it is. When you buy 2 of these, you're getting back a $4 register reward. This is the cheapest shampoo deal of the week. Stock up, guys. And this is the coupon that you're going to load, our little friend, which is the 4 off a 2. Let me know in the comments down below if you like Dove shampoo. I've never really asked you guys that. So grabbing 2 of these $5 bottles, that's 10. Subtracting the 4 off a 2, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per bottle, which is a really good stock up price. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. The next deal that we're looking at is with the fancier Colgate toothpaste that are $5 each. You're going to have to look for the items that are tagged at your store. We have a 3 off a 2 digital coupon. Sensitive, the fancier ones, the larger tubes. I know you guys can be crafty to find them. It's on this promotion that when you buy 2, you get back a $5 register reward with the 3 off a 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of the fancier tubes, that's going to be 10. Subtracting that 3 off a 2, you'll pay $7. Get back a $5 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per tube. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. If you need sensitive toothpaste, for all of my older millennials, I think you might know what I'm talking about. This is just a really great deal to pay $1 for sensitive, because a lot of us have to fork out money for the more expensive toothpaste like Parodontax or Sensodyne. I think Colgate Sensitive is just as good. The next deal we're looking at is for 16-cent toothbrushes. They are $3.50 for these, or the cheaper toothpaste at $3.50. This is new. It's a 5 off a 3 digital coupon, so you'll have it on your account. Load it. And if you can't load them, look through the ad and you can load them that way. When you buy 3 of these, you're getting back a $5 register reward, and we're looking for the cheapest products at $3.50 a unit. Grabbing 3 of them, it's $10.50. Subtracting our digital coupon, you'll pay $5.50. Get back a $5 register reward, making it 50 cents for the 3 or 16 cents per item, which is a really good stock up price. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Okay, General Mills cereal is $2.49 this week, and basically we have $1 off 2 digital coupons, so it makes it $1.99 per box. So Cheerios, Cocoa Puffs, Cookie Crisp, whatever is your favorite, grab 2 of them and load this digital coupon, which is $1 off 2. I did not see an IBOTTA rebate, but hang on to your receipt a week post in case one might pop up. General Mills often has IBOTTA rebates. 2 of these is $4.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $3.98 for the 2 or $1.99 per box. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Okay, the last deal, we're going to do a $45 basket with the 10 back when you spend $45. This isn't a 10 off of $45. It's $10 back after you finish your transaction, and it'll show up in your My Walgreens account. And you can use that cash right away if you wish, maybe on a different deal. This is of a one-time use as well for the new couponers out there. So what we're going to do in store again, we're going to grab 2 of those Tides, a liquid and a pod for $25.98, and then 2 $9.99 razors, a Gillette and a Venus for $19.98. Now I know with the men's Gillette, you might have to grab a $12.99 razor, whatever inventory your store might have. It might be a bit interesting. But if you can find these exact items, it would be $45.96. Have your 10 back when you spend $45 e-booster loaded, electronic booster. Subtracting $12 in digital coupons, 6 for Tide, 6 for Gillette. We have $3 off of each product. So with your debit card, you're going to pay $33.96. Debit card, credit card, or bills, you're getting back $10 of Walgreens cash for the booster, plus $11 in register rewards, 5 for Tide and 6 for Gillette Venus. So it makes it $12.96 for the 4 or $3.24 per product. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. As you're using the spend $45 to earn back 10 booster, it will mess things up. So what a deal if you can land this, and if you have a paper booster to throw in, it will be even cheaper. But it's like you're paying for 1 Tide and getting 3 products for free, which is fantastic. Before I take off into the big sunset, Dollar General Christmas will be going 90% off on Tuesday, January the 27th, including some Febreze, some pans, some Dove, and all the Christmas magic that's remaining. We've been waiting patiently for this. I made a video basically talking a little bit about what to look for. Even if your store is cleared, check out the video linked right here. As always, thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.